If you're driving on a racetrack, there's almost never a time when having more horsepower is a bad thing. When you're driving on the street, in a carbon fiber missile like the McLaren 570S, even 562 horsepower feels like more than enough. Especially in Seattle, in the winter, when it's raining, like it was the first time I took the McLaren out for a spin to familiarize myself with the British supercar. Underway, it's easy to modulate the throttle on wet asphalt, in part because the engine doesn't really scream until it's got a few thousand RPMs to work with.